Did you know you can grow carrots at home, even with limited space? And the best part, it's incredibly easy. Today I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step process to harvest beautiful, healthy carrots straight from your garden. To start, you'll need carrot seeds, a pot or raised bed at least 25 centimeters deep, loose, light soil, a little sand, optional but helpful, and water. Now pay attention to this. The secret to carrots is in the soil. Mix the soil with sand to keep everything loose and free of compaction. And don't forget to remove stones and clods, because any obstacle can cause the carrot to grow crooked. With the soil ready, it's time to plant. Spread the seeds on the surface and cover with a thin layer of soil. Don't bury them too deep. After that, water carefully, just enough to moisten without displacing the seeds. During growth, keep the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. And ensure a location with plenty of water. Light, because carrots love sun. When the seedlings start to grow, thin them out, removing the weaker ones to give space for the stronger ones to develop better. After about 70 to 100 days comes the best part, the harvest. Just pull carefully, and that's it. Fresh carrots grown by you. See how simple it is? If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. And tell me in the comments, have you ever tried planting carrots at home?